Right, I want to talk to you about a product that we've been selling a bit of and we quite like. So this is a Drive Neo Amplifier. So we fit a range of products. So when we come to you and we say, hey, we quite like this product, there's a reason. So these Drive Neo Amplifiers are a neat, good quality amplifier at a reasonable price. And these are in a fabulous small size. Because of the size, we can fit these in places amplifiers wouldn't traditionally fit. We get to hide it away, so you don't even get to know that it's there. You just get the better sound. These have also got a marine rating. What that means is they are better protected against moisture. We had a customer a while ago with a Toyota Hilux, and he submerged it. Now, the amplifier that we had fitted for him did not come out okay. If he was running something like this, there's a better chance it would have come out running. Something like this could really juice up the power output for your boat and really make your speakers come to life. Because while you're out on the water, you need a bit of power because you're firing your speakers in the middle of the water. The sound's going everywhere. It's not like your room at home. So these great little amplifiers come in a range of different configurations. You can get monoblock, you can get 4-channel, and there's a 5-channel option. And that means that we can make sure that you get the right one to meet your needs. Each of the monoblocks are designed for different types of subwoofer configurations. Each of the 4 channels have different power ratings. So if you go for the one with the lower power rating, hey, it fits budget better. If you go for the higher power rating one, hey, it's gonna give you a bit more sound and a bit better quality. If you go to the 5-channel, it's a one-piece solution to running your 4 speakers and having a subwoofer as well. And it's all at an entry-level price. These things are not priced out of the market. These are beautiful, high-quality amplifiers at a reasonable dollar in a marine grade rating, and that is neat.